to all our family and friends a Merry Christmas. Oh, namaste.
When Santa got stuck up the chimney, he began to shout, "You girls and boys won't get any toys if you don't let me out. My beard is black, the soot's on my sack, my nose is tickly too." When Santa got stuck up the chimney, achoo, 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 achoo.